Are there any signs of Laylatul Qadr mentioned in the Hadith or the Quran?
There are signs mentioned in the authentic Hadith of Laylatul Qadr, but alhamdulillah, all the signs that are mentioned, they are seen after Laylatul Qadr has passed. So it is the wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He does not want us to know exactly, because if we had known, then we have seen the sign and then prayed and done worship. And the other nights we would have just, been a bit relaxed and not worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This hadith mentioned in Sahih Muslim that the following of Laylatul Qadr, the next day, the sun will be without rays and it will appear like a dish until it rises high. It's further mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2633, that the day following Laylatul Qadr, the sun will not have rays. It's further mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2635, that the Prophet said that on the night of Laylatul Qadr, the moon will appear like a plate towards the fag end of the month. And it's mentioned in Sahih Hadith of Tabrani and Ibn Khuzaymah that the light of Laylatul Qadr will not be too hot, neither will it be too cold. And it will be a generous night, a night of happiness. And the sun, the next day after Laylatul Qadr, will appear weak and reddish. So these are the signs Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in the Sahih Hadith. But all of them, they are after the Laylatul Qadr comes, so that we yet seek for Laylatul Qadr.